Okay, so just a quick unboxing video of the Rugged Ridge Jeep Wrangler JK vinyl roll bar cover replacements. I've already kind of cut that because last time I almost impaled myself doing an unboxing while I'm trying to hold the camera. So let's take a look what we got here. You can see packaging, pretty much what you'd expect. Rugged Ridge has apparently their own boxing products here. So getting into this, we have warranty paperwork. All right, and here we go. Looking at this material, it's a 6-piece, just like your existing polyester covers. But man, I have got to say, compared to the vinyl polyester covers in here, I'm going to go get those real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so apparently I'm working with the same piece here. And I mean, as you can see, obviously my original polyester covers have some wear to them. I definitely wheel my Jeep a lot. I don't ride with a soft top. I live in Florida. On the inside, I've washed these recently, thinking I was going to reapply them. You can see there's some kind of light foam padding in here, and this stuff, as you would imagine, you can see on the Velcro, kind of gets everywhere after it's, been broken down by the elements and goes into the wash and that. But the material itself, I mean, it's not bad. It's it's a polyester mix, I guess. And I've got random little holes here and there from this particular cover, just wheeling it and getting it stuck through trees and that. But if you look at the difference in the material here, you can see this thing on the exterior, at least, feels like the actual soft top. I mean, it feels a lot different. I mean, it's almost like armor in comparison here. You can see the foam. It looks probably like the same grade of foam that was in here originally, but I imagine with the new exterior vinyl over the polyester blend that hopefully this interior material will hold up a lot better. So the zippers look like they're in good construction. This Velcro seems to be pretty good quality here. So I'm excited about putting these covers on and just seeing how it compares. And I have some pictures of my Jeep, not necessarily in detail with the roll bar covers, but I plan on taking another one when I get these on, just to kind of show you what it will look like. But everything in here appears to be high quality. The zippers look like they're, at least comparable quality to the existing zippers in the OEM parts. So, we'll see. That's the unboxing. What I really liked about these kits is on the old OEM kits, you have to actually detach the top part of your seatbelt. Any part of your seatbelt could be, I guess it could be the bottom. It would be a lot harder. But have to detach the seatbelt to get it through. Here, they have these little Velcro pieces. So these are the front B-pillar posts that go around the seatbelt. The gap here is for the adjustment slider that goes down. And in the back, hopefully, if I can find them, I don't even know what pieces. These are these go over the sound bar. So these pieces go over the rear seat belts, and they say you're supposed to be able to have a Velcro attachment so you don't have to take it off. But looking at these right now, I can't really tell if I'm going to have to take the rear seat belts off or not. So that remains to be seen. and we'll show you in the installation video if that's the case or not. So thanks for watching. Leave any questions in the comments.